All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I think this is the do or die moment for Bitcoin. I wanted to put this video out because I remember when I was a new trader or a new investor, when Bitcoin had a lot of volatility, big down moves, I was nervous and I didn't know what to do. And I ended up kind of tripping over myself because I let the emotions get the best of me, right? So that's why I want to make this video to kind of give you a plan and explain how I see the market. I think this is the do or die moment. I think this represents the maximum opportunity for Bitcoin. I think this entry right now at 108K, just about where we're at right now, I think that could be a phenomenal entry, right? This green band that you see here has been a very, very good indicator to use for this whole bull market. But I do think that if we lose this general area here, a quick deviation like that could work back into the range. Let me just actually just draw out this range for you so you can see it, right? So let's say we have like a range here-ish, okay? So a quick deviation and a reclaim, that would look good as well. But if we start to really accept down here, then I think at the minimum, we're going to 100K. But I know a lot of traders right now, they want to bid 100K. The way I see it, that could work. I think a trade from 100K could, I think it's going to bounce from there is what I want to say. It's going to bounce from there, but I think we're setting up for a, let's say we go at 100K, right? I think we're going to set up for a lower high, and then I think it's actually going to be downwards from there. It's been 4 years, I believe, of up only since December 22. Is that 3 years? I think it is. I can't do math, apparently, but it's been up only. I think the cycle soon is coming to an end, right? I think there might be one last push. I'll give you another example why I think this is a really good place to bid. Basically, what Bitcoin has done since December 2022, right? You can see it here. It's done this. It has marked up, established new value, marked up, established new value, marked up, new value, right? Range, markup. This is what we've been doing all the time, right? So the reason why, one of the reasons why I would not think that the market is going to remain bullish if we retest 100K is that it would be the very, 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 very first time where Bitcoin actually revisits this area, right? So if we draw it out, right, this is one of the, I mean, this is what I just drew, sideways, up, right? This would be the first time where we fail to just range and establish value and push higher. So if we do this range and we drop back in here, the way I see it is we're just accepting back into old value. And I think that's going to give us this retest. And then I think we can probably short it from there. That's the way I see it. Okay. But right now I am long. I'm long Bitcoin. I also just bought Ethereum because I actually think Ethereum is the better trade right now. That's not often that's the case, but right now I think your attention should probably be on Ethereum if you're bullish structurally. Ethereum is looking better right now. I've talked about this in other videos, but 4K has kind of been the line that we've just been unable to break, right? We broke it once back in 2021. That was like peak mania, NFTs going crazy. I don't really count that, right? So this is the first time I think that we actually broke out of this area. We are consolidating above it. I think as long as we're above this black line, pretty much, I think ETH looks phenomenal, right? And if Bitcoin is going to give us one final push, I think that could finally be the move that actually sends ETH into price discovery. So I'm long both, but I'm also very aware that this might be the last chance to do so for a while, right? Stocks all-time high. If they give us a big pullback, I don't know if crypto will survive that in the short term, okay? So just a quick market update. I think if you are bullish on, one more time, I forgot. When I showed you before that we have been, ranging up, range up, range up, you can see, I mean, bidding these deep retests for 3 years now has been extremely profitable, right? Whenever we get like this deep retest of the ranges, I'm just going to draw them all out here. Bear with me, right? Maybe that's easier to see on a 3-day. Whenever we get like these deep pullbacks into, it has been an extremely good idea to bid it. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do for one last time. I'm hoping for a final push up to 150 and a couple of thousand more on Ethereum. If it doesn't work out, invalidations are very close. So yeah, if we lose this area and don't reclaim it immediately, I will cut and I'll probably be sidelined for a bit from like a spot investment perspective, and I'll just be sticking to trading the charts intraday. Okay. Hope this was helpful. This is a brand new channel. If you appreciated a little update here, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future ones. All right. I'll see you in the next one.